Well, all this lot is chemtrail crap. You know, cotton wool, candy floss shite. There's even a trail left up there. Done a few videos and photos today already. It's just that, but I've got to include this bit. Look, they're digging up the road. You know, the council just paid a fortune to get this road resurfaced. It's only just been done. They're digging it up already. And regarding our council, you know, there's a lot of crap been tipped on the pavement down the end of the road, foam rubber. Two numbers I could ring at the council, rang them both, ended up with the same person, got told there's nothing they can do for a week. It's foam rubber, and it's not going to be there in a bloody week. So if the chemtrails don't get us, the litter will when it gets here. When the wind picks up, it'll all be down the street. But anyway, that's a litter problem. That's a council problem. Bollocks to them. In the meantime, as I say, we've got all this chemical shite above us. The sun's blocked out over yonder. It's headache material as well. The sun, I mean. He's got good air brakes.
Did you explode, Andy?
No, I farted.
I exploded.
Anyway. Oh, there's one up there now as well.
Called air brakes.
I'm kidding.
Somewhere up there, I can't bloody see with sun in my face. Anyway, Snot Rocket Stringy Trail. Well, the chemicals are blowing well. That's the Pennines, coming from the Pennines. There's bits of trails. It's a bit hard to see at times, but there's bits of trails. You can see up here. And over there. The whole lot's blowing everywhere. It's a bloody mess.